Hi, students and friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz. In this lesson, I will talk about extraction of iron in blast furnace. Here are the learning outcomes of this lesson. Describe and explain the essential reactions in the extraction of iron using hematite, limestone, and coke in the blast furnace. Here the iron ore used is hematite. What is an ore? Ores are the compounds of metals with impurities found in the earth crust. Let me write here. Ores are the compounds of metals with impurities found in earth crust. With impurities found in the earth crust. Hematite consists of 60% iron in the form of iron oxide. This is the formula of iron oxide, Fe2O3. It contains impurities such as silicon dioxide, SiO2 as impurity. Extraction of iron takes place in a tower called blast furnace. Here's a list of substances used during this process: iron ore or hematite, coke, limestone or calcium carbonate, hot air. The products formed are iron. It's not pure. Slag or calcium silicate is the other product. The waste materials in this process are carbon dioxide and air. Here's a diagram which shows a blast furnace which is used to collect or extract iron from iron ore. From the top of this blast furnace, iron ore, coke, and limestone are introduced. Let me write iron ore plus coke plus limestone. Hot air is blown from the bottom of this furnace. Hot air is introduced. Iron being heavier than slag is produced in the molten form at the bottom of the furnace, which is below slag. This is slag. Here, slag is produced. The iron produced in the molten form because the temperature in the furnace is high. Waste gases are removed from the top. From here, waste gases are removed. Let's talk about the process from the beginning. Substances are put in the blast furnace. The process starts by blowing in hot air at the bottom of the furnace. Coke burns in oxygen from the hot air, producing carbon dioxide. It's an oxidation reaction because there's a gain of oxygen. Oxidation because gain of oxygen. Heat makes the limestone decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide produced goes up the furnace and reacts with more coke. They're producing carbon monoxide. This reaction involves both reduction and oxidation. This is reduction because loss of oxygen. This is oxidation because gain of oxygen. Carbon monoxide is a reducing agent. It rises further up in the furnace where it meets iron 3 oxide and starts reducing it, producing iron and carbon dioxide. Iron 3 oxide is an oxidizing agent here. It's an oxidizing agent because it oxidizes carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. Oxidizing agent. Let me write here. Carbon monoxide is a reducing agent, as is it reduces iron 3 oxide to iron. This reaction is an example of redox reaction because it involves both oxidation and reduction. Calcium oxide, which was produced from the thermal decomposition of limestone, acts as a base. It reacts with impurities from hematite such as silicon oxide. Silicon oxide is acidic, and products are calcium silicate. It's also called slag. Molten iron and slag produce trickles down and settles at the bottom of the furnace. Iron is denser than slag, so it settles beneath it. Iron and slag are tapped off separately at regular intervals, and pure iron is collected alone. Waste gases such as carbon dioxide formed from the process and nitrogen and other gases from air blown in escape at the top of the furnace. In summary, carbon converted to carbon dioxide from air blast, carbon monoxide formed from reaction of carbon with carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide converts iron oxide, iron ore, or hematite to iron. Carbon converts iron oxide, iron ore, or hematite to iron in hotter parts of the furnace. Hotter parts of the furnace. Iron oxide is reduced to iron. Calcium carbonate or limestone decomposes to calcium oxide. Calcium oxide acts as a base. Calcium oxide acts as a base because it reacts with silicon dioxide or sand to form slag. Balance equation for the reactions taking place in the blast furnace include conversion of carbon into carbon dioxide. This reaction, carbon plus CO2 gives plus O2 gives CO2. Decomposition of CaCO3 produces CaO and CO2. CO2 reacts with carbon or coke to form carbon monoxide. Fe2O3 reacts with CO and produces iron and CO2. Fe plus CO2. Calcium oxide reacts with SiO2 producing CaSiO3. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video.